Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your email address on Netflix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in netflix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Netflix if you haven't already done that, and of course, subscribe to Netflix. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home, TV shows, movies, new and popular, my list, and browse by languages. And in the top right corner, we also have your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your email address on Netflix. So for, of course, desktop users is the video is made for. So hover over your profile icon in the top right corner and select account from the drop down menu. Click here, then click account. Then in the membership and billing section, you need to go and find the email. So you need to go and click on your profiles here, and then you just need to go and find the email. After that, you need to go and click on change email, then enter your email address and follow the prompts to confirm. Netflix may ask you to re-enter your password for security purposes. Enter the password and confirm the change. A confirmation email will be sent to your new email address. Click the link in the email to verify that change. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.